Hello everyone, I am Miss Espinosa, the Orchestra Director at River Valley and Woodgate Intermediate. I am so excited that your kiddo has joined orchestra. In orchestra this year, they're going to learn how to play their instrument, read music, as well as learn how to play in an ensemble together. Part of orchestra is also completing assignments, having to do with like music theory, performing in front of audiences, as well as like making video assignments on Flipgrid. I always give kids a whole week to finish their assignment, so please make sure that they get it done sooner than later. I will give out assignments on a Monday and they will be due on a Thursday. If they can't get it done during those 4 days, I will give them 3 more days to turn in late work. However, after the 3 days, I won't be taking in work because I need to get some sleep as well as, finish grading on those assignments. So please stress that to your kiddo to make sure that they're responsible and turning in all their work on time. Part of the assignments is getting feedback and revising their assignments. So for Flipgrids in particular, I'm going to watch their video, and if there's a part of their video that they can improve on, I will give them feedback to improve their technique. And it's expected that the student makes another video to improve their technique, and I'll watch it and either give them thumbs up or say like, hey, you actually need to work on that. So please make sure that the kids are watching my feedback and really practicing on the skill that I'm asking them to work on. I put in a lot of time to watch all the kiddos in all my classes, so I expect them to watch that one video that I make and really thinking to themselves like, hey, how can I improve on my playing? And am I really doing what the script is telling me to do? So that also goes with the conversation of trying again and again. I encourage kids to have perseverance on learning their instrument. I don't want them to try just once. I want them to try multiple times until they get it right, because as a musician, it's going to take more than one time to get something right. So please, if the kiddo is, upset of like, oh, I didn't get a good grade the first time, tell them like, hey, try again. And, you're going to improve along the way. So, and I tell them that here at school that it's okay. We're not always successful the first time. So, tell them, try again and all will be good. But yeah, always remind them to resubmit before that due date. So for any assignment, let me know if you have any questions. I will post the assignments, their due dates, and their grading rubrics on Schoology. In the handbook form that I sent out to kids, I gave y'all the grading rubrics for all the assignments. So if you ever need to refer to that, I sent that via that handbook Google form and the paper copy as well. So, but if you ever have any questions, let me know. And along with assignments, if you have any questions about how to complete or submit an assignment, please let me know. Best way to reach me is via email. I teach at 2 schools at Woodgate and River Valley, and it can be very hard to get phone calls because I can't answer until I'm at the other school. So the best way to reach me is via email. And your kiddo can also send me an email as well. I will go over how to submit the assignment in class, but again, if there's any questions that they have, let me know. I'm happy to help, and please try to ask these questions before the due date. I don't want you or your kiddo to stress out about submitting an assignment late on Thursday night. That's the last thing I want. So please encourage them and say like, hey, like, what's your orchestra assignment for this week? Ask that to them on Monday so that it's already in their mind, so that by Thursday they have it completed. But yeah, so if there is any questions that y'all have, please feel free to email me. I know that for most of y'all, this is the first time your kid is part of an orchestra, and this is a very exciting time. Learning an instrument for the first time and learning it alongside their peers and friends. So I want to make this a wonderful experience for them. And if you have like any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. And your kiddo is always free to talk to me as well. Know that I'm always there for them. And yeah, I want to be a little, a little sun in their day. Bring some joy in their day in the orchestra room. So as always, if you have any questions, you know where to reach me. And yeah, so I hope y'all have a great day. And again, I am very happy that your kiddo is in orchestra. Bye.